The wakizashi, meaning side-inserted sword, is one of the traditionally made Japanese swords worn by the samurai class in feudal Japan. Description: the wakizashi has a blade between 30 and 60 cm, with wakizashi close to the length of a katana being called o wakizashi and wakizashi closer to tanto length being called ko wakizashi. The wakizashi being worn together with the katana was the official sign that the wearer was a samurai or swordsman of feudal Japan. When worn together, the pair of swords were called desha, which translates literally as big little. The katana was the big or long sword and the wakizashi the companion sword. Wakizashi are not necessarily just a smaller version of the katana. They could be forged differently and have a different cross-section. History and use: the production of swords in Japan is divided into specific time periods: Jokoto, Konto, Shinto, Shin-Shinto, Gendaito, and Shinsakuto. Wakizashi have been in use as far back as the 15th or 16th century. The wakizashi was used as a backup or auxiliary sword. It was also used for close-quarters fighting, to behead a defeated opponent and sometimes to commit ritual suicide. The wakizashi was one of several short swords available for use by samurai, including the Yoroitashi, the Shiza katana and the Tanta. The term wakizashi did not originally specify swords of any official blade length and was an abbreviation of wakizashi no katana. The term was applied to companion swords of all sizes. It was not until the Edo period in 1638 when the rulers of Japan tried to regulate the types of swords and the social groups which were allowed to wear them that the lengths of katana and wakizashi were officially set. Kanzan Sata, in his book titled The Japanese Sword, notes that there did not seem to be any particular need for the wakizashi and suggests that the wakizashi may have become more popular than the tanto due to the wakizashi being more suited for indoor fighting. He mentions the custom of leaving the katana at the door of a castle or palace when entering while continuing to wear the wakizashi inside. While the wearing of katana was limited to the samurai class, wakizashi of legal length could be carried by the kunin class, which included merchants. This was common when traveling due to the risk of encountering bandits. Wakizashi were worn in the left side, secured to the waist sash. See also. References. Notes, external links: Nihonto Message Board Forum, Richard Stein's Japanese Sword Guide.